good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Katie Poli. If you're new to the channel, karibu sana, welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, karibu and thank you so much for supporting my content. I didn't even get to talk about my inconsistent journey, so I'll just do a revamp of what has been happening, what's my YouTube journey, what it has been like. And that besides, today I'm going to take you through my hair treatment process. So well, without much ado, let's get to it. So to begin, I'll be using eggs and avocado. So let's start by cutting the avocado to create a smooth paste that we will use on the hair. There is an avocado hair mask, to be precise. So just a quick brief on the essence of avocado for hair growth. We all know that avocado oil is very useful in strengthening natural hair. And so for avocado itself, it contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids, all that, and also a rich source of protein that helps promote hair growth. So with this, it helps reduce dandruffs, prevent breakages, and also gives your hair a shiny and healthy look, especially on hairs like mine. My hair is so dry, the scalp needs oiling to look presentable. I mean, tell me about it. So you need to ensure the avocado is mashed before adding the egg yolk. Please don't be like me. On the egg yolk, because it's very useful, like it's the useful part of it, it has vitamin E, biotin, and rich in proteins too, which is great for hair growth. It particularly helps in strengthening and repairing the hair strands. That is, to be specific. Also, you can use a blender, but I avoided because I didn't want very watery paste for the mask. Yeah, but I advise you to use a blender. So this is how it finally looked. So here's the thing, it's either it's smooth and slips out of your fingers while applying, or less smooth but you'll take time washing it up. So this one I won't even lie, so you need to choose your struggle. So well guys, this is the next process whereby I'll undo the matutas that are done yesterday night so that my hair can be easily I want to undo the matutas that are done previously. I cut off the rest of the conversation because I felt I was giving too much unnecessary details. Like, bro, why are you talking too much? Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the camera. I have a mirror over here that I'm using. So we're going to go in with this nini we made. And yes, after we apply this one, I'm going to keep it for like 30 minutes. Then I'm going to wash it with shampoo and conditioner. Then later on I'll be back here, so just stick around to see what will happen next. It's so I don't know, I guess the way I mashed it, it became a bit softer, but I still work with it the way it is. So the reason as to why I use this container, it's because I don't have to wash it. Like, I will just throw it away. This is the inspiration behind the container here. It makes me so happy when I don't have to wash the utensils. But anytime I get a chance to, like throw something away after using, like these utensils, hey, I'm so happy. You see these particles, it will take eternity to wash out. I mean, so I'll advise to make the paste a bit smoother. By the way, guys, this thing is so interesting. I just love doing this. But guys, it's around 10 p.m. right now at night, and yeah, I'm supposed to be asleep, but I'm that person who usually sleep at midnight. So well, guys, I have finished applying the treatment, and it was really fun. When you mix the eggs with the avocado, it's it doesn't have that fall smell that it has, obviously the smell from afar, but it's not that bad. It was fun doing this, and I'm just going to cover it for like 30 minutes, which I feel I've even taken quite enough time while applying it. So I'll just cover it for 30 minutes or so. I don't know what time is it, but I know it's quite late. And then it's even working. Oh, yeah, it's still working. So my lovely people, that this is where we're at. I did envision coming with the towel all the way, but the water is not rinsing yet. So guys, I've already washed my hair using shampoo and a conditioner, and now I was just waiting for the water at least to rinse a bit more, so that I can be able to blow dry. Yes, that's why you can see I ended up here with a towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry it because I really don't have time. As I told you, I was shooting this video a bit late in the night. So this is a final look after blow drying. It really made a big difference, a big difference in that case. So well, guys, that is it for today. Until next time, until the next episode, have a good one, have a good day. Bye bye.